Hello and welcome to today's video. So today we'll be learning how to draft Kiddies basic bodies, and the measurement I'll be working on is the shoulder is 9, the chest is 20, the waist is 8, the half length is 10. So I'll be drafting this for a 3-year-old child, so make sure that you're working with your own measurements. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be marking a starting point, just a guideline of 1 inches. I don't want to just start at, I need something that's guide. Just want to draw that out, and also I'll draw this part to 1 inch. I'll mark it, 1 inch, and then I'll connect the lines together. Connect like so. And we've gotten our guideline, as you can see. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to mark a box. Like I need a box because now I'll be drafting the front and the back, so I need a box here. So the first thing I'll be doing here is to divide the biggest part of this measurement, and the biggest part of this measurement is the chest measurement, which is 20. So what I'm going to do is I'll divide 20 by 2. This is 20. Just watch what I'm doing. This is 20. I'll bring my tape to this side, so you can see. I'll divide this 20 by 2, as you can see, and I got 10 inches. So on that 10 inches, I'll not mark 10 inches. I'm going to add 2 inches to it, which is 12. Then I'll mark 12. I'll come to the upper part here and mark 12. Just what I'm doing. Whatever measurement that you have, just add 2 inches to it. I'll mark 12. Rolling this, so I'll have a straight line, and I'll connect. And see, and the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be marking my half length here on this part. I'll mark my half length here, and my half length here is 10. Mark 10. I'll mark it in 3 places, so I'll have a straight line. Just work with your own measurements, okay? And I'll connect the 3 lines together. I've gotten. Remember that from here to here, we divided the chest measurement, which is the biggest part of the measurement, and we added 2 inches. That's how we got 12. As you can see, here is 12. Then I need a box again here. Then so that I can have the front and the back. And then I'll divide this 12 again by 2. I'll bring my tape here. Mark what I have here. I have 6 inches. I'll go up. I'll mark the 6 inches. Come here and mark 6 inches. And then I'll connect the lines. With this, we've gotten our front and our back. We've gotten our front and our back measurement. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to mark the shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 9 divided by divided by 2. My shoulder is 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. I'll mark 4.5 here at the front. I'll just leave it so that you understand this is the front and this is the back. Okay, then I'll come here also at the back. I'll mark 4.5 here also. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand? Can you see? And on this part, with this part I measured 4.5. I'll come down by half an inch. Can you see that? And then also this back part, I'll mark half an inch also. Can you see? And the next thing we want to do is to get the armhole depth. Now for the armhole depth, you divide the shoulder measurement. You divide the child's shoulder measurement by 2. Okay, and whatever you have, you add 0.5 inches to it. Now the shoulder is 9. If I divide it by 2, is 4.5 plus 0.5 is 5 inches. Now on this part, I have 0.5 here. I'll just mark 4.5 here to make 2. I'll mark 4.5 here. I'll come here also, and I'm going to mark 4.5. So if I measure this all together, I have 5 inches, and here at the back too, I have 5 inches. Then I'll come here to this line here and mark 5. And to this point, I'll mark 5. So we can have a straight line, and then I'll connect them together. From here to here, I'll connect it together like so. And here also, I'll connect from here to get here. I will. Can you see? Then the next thing is, what are we going to be imputing here? We input our shoulder measurement, which is 4.5. Remember that we divided the shoulder measurement by 2. This is 4.5, as you can see. And here also is 4.5. So I'll just rule it. Rule it. Can you see? and here also we'll roll it also. Can you see? So by the time we measure this, you have 5. Can you see the 5? And here also we have 5. So the next thing we'll be doing is to insert the neckline. So on the front, I'll come to this part and mark the neck width. So the neck width I'll be working on is 2 inches, and the neck depth here I'll be working on also is 2 inches. Can you see? Then for the back, the neck width I'll be working on here also will be 2 inches, and the neck depth here I'll be using half inches. Okay, and then I'll connect together. You can use your free hand or you use your curve rule. Just be patient on this part and then you connect. And you see, then you come to the back. You come to the back also. Just be patient, take your time, don't be in a hurry. Then you connect, okay, like so. And the next thing we'll be doing is to mark from this point to the neckline width. You connect, and here you also connect. Can you see? You button the neck for the back and the neck for the front. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to insert our measurements. So on this part here, I'll insert the chest measurement, and the chest I am working on is 20 divided by 4. Your chest, the chest measurement of that child, you divide it by 4. Okay, and here I have 5 inches. Okay, I'll mark my 5 inches like so. And then I'll add my 1 inch seam allowance. Can you see? That is the reason why we added 2 inches. That's why when you're marking from here to here, you add your 2 inches, okay? Get from here to here. If the child, whatever the child measurement is, okay, you divide it by 2. You divide it by 2. If you want to get your box, you divide it by 2. Whatever you have, you add 2 inches to it. Like the way that we got this part. Remember that our chest measurement was 20. I divided it by 2, which is 10, and I got which is 10, and then I now added 2 inches to it. Okay, and the 2 inches gave me 12. Can you see? Then on this part, I'm going to be inserting the chest measurement, and the chest measurement here is 5 plus 1 inch seam allowance. That's the essence of adding your 2 inches. Your 2 inches to whatever you have here. Okay, you add 2 inches. Whatever you have here, you add your 2 inches. So this is 1 inches. The seam allowance is here, and here also I'll mark 5, and then add 1 inch seam allowance is here also. Then the next thing we'll be doing is to divide our armhole depth. Here I have 4.5. I'll just bring my tape from this part to this part. I'll bring it here to divide it. Can you see? Like so. And then I'll mark. And then I'll come in by half an inch. On this line, I'll come in by half an inch. See, half an inch like so. And then I'll connect. I'll bring my ruler. I'll connect from here to here. I'll connect. Can you see? And then I'll bring my curve rule. And connect. I'll connect it. I'll place my curve rule and connect to this 1 inches. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand? Just don't be in a hurry on this part. Take your time. Just take your time, place it, and then connect. Can you see? You connect, okay? And on the back measurements, you just place your tape, your ruler. Just watch what I'm doing, okay? It's not hard. Place your ruler on the 1 inches, which is here. Place your ruler like so. Place your ruler. You're not going to be dividing the back. You just place a ruler like so, and I'll connect. Connect to this 1 inches. Can you see? So easy. It's so easy, super easy to make and very fast. And then the next thing is to insert our waist measurement. Our waist is 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. I'll mark the 4.5 here, and also at the back also I'll mark my 4.5. Not from this point, you come to this point, place your tape. I know that in this place now is from here, okay? For here, from this, for the back, you place your tape here. This is 4.5. You mark. Then you add your 1 inch seam allowance, and also on this part, remember that our 4.5 is here, you mark 1 inch seam allowance also. And then you connect. You connect from this 1 inches to meet this point. You connect like so, and from here also to meet this point. You connect. Okay. We've gotten our front and our back. This is how to draft Kiddies basic bodies, the front and the back. Remember that on this point, this place is on fold. Okay, and here also will be on fold. That means when you are drafting and placing it on your fabric, you fold your fabric. Okay, then you now place your pattern paper on it and then you cut. It's super easy to make. And if you want to add your zipper, you can add your zipper at the back, which is 1 inch zipper allowance. And you see what I'm doing? You add your zipper allowance and then you can connect. You draw your lines together on that 1 inches. You connect. It's super easy to do. Just work with your own measurements, okay? Super easy. Work with your own measurements and then you connect. Can you see how super easy it is to cut the front and the back together? And also remember to can just use your free hand to just curve that and to meet up to the zipper allowance. And here is a zipper allowance. Okay, that means when you are placing this on your fabric, you know that you have a zipper allowance, 1 inch zipper allowance. Depending on how we're cutting our pattern now, so just watch what I'm doing, okay? I'll be starting from this part, just cut out this part out. See? And then I'll cut from here for this part, this line. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll just cut it up. I'll just divide it, I'll separate it. You see, I've separated it, and the next thing is I'll start from the armhole. Let me see. Got it. Let me see. And then I'll cut the neck on the neck depth. Let me see. Let's get from that part. Let me see. And then I'll cut the shoulder strap. This is the back. And then I'll just give this back. I'll move to the front. Cut this. Let me see. I'm cutting the armhole of this front pattern. So the next thing we're doing now is to cut out this part. Cut out this 1 inches. This part. This part. Cut it out. I also cut this part. Yes. And also cut out the neck. Yes. And then this is the zipper part. So this is the front, and here is our back. Can you see how easy it is? So if you are placing this on your fabric will be on fold. Then you place this on your fabric, and then you cut. Okay, the same way at for the back also. You're not going to be cutting this part because this part is a zipper allowance, and also remember that your back will be on fold. So for the back you'll be cutting 2 pieces for the back, which is your fabric. Okay, when you place this on your fabric, when you place this paper on your fabric, when you place it like so on your fabric, you cut out, you place it on your fabric, and remember that your fabric will be on fold. Then you place this on your fabric, and then you cut. Then you'll be cutting out 2 pieces. Don't worry, on our next video I'll be showing us how you can place this on our fabric, and also how you can alter the neck. Like you can make the neck a little bit deeper than this. You can make it a V-neck. You can make it just anyhow you want the neck to be. But for the sake of this purpose, I did 1/2 inches. Okay, but you can make the neck deeper than this. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.